If you're trying to write a content strategy for your business in 2019, then this video is for you. I'm going to be walking through the 3 main video marketing strategies that I use with all of my clients. I'm pretty much giving away my entire business model, so be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm Amanda Horvath, and I'm all about helping business owners and entrepreneurs leverage the power of video without breaking the bank or taking up tons of their time. If you're looking to use video in your strategy this year, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. The first question that you need to ask yourself is, what goal are you looking to achieve? Are you looking to clarify your offer, make a sale, or build rapport with your audience? So we're going to be going through these step by step so that you can know everything that's available to you. And then from there, I'll tell you which one is best for each individual business at what stage. Be sure to download the PDF version of this in the description below so that you can present it to your team and discuss what video you think you should create next. Video strategy number 1, clarify your offer. When I first begin a conversation with a client, I like to run through all the different video options that they might create. So the first is your website content. This is a brand video, a video that takes someone from knowing nothing about you to knowing who you are and how to buy. It's usually about 1.5 to 3 minutes. Then you have testimonial videos. And you're going to have testimonial videos within your brand video, but these are standalone individual testimonials. Your customers might have some questions that they need answered before they can actually decide whether or not to buy from you, and those are the FAQ videos. So all this content is created in order to clarify your offer. And I really think that this is a great place to start for a business, because if you don't have a clear offer on your website, then you're going to be struggling to make a sale. And none of this will actually matter if this isn't clear. Video strategy number 2, make a sale. If you're running paid ads, there's several different paid ads that I would recommend having. There's the awareness ad, which might be a shorter version of your brand video. So this also takes someone from knowing nothing about you to knowing who you are, but it just does it just enough to pique their interest. It doesn't give them everything that they need to know in order to make a decision, which the brand video comes closer to achieving that goal. This is really more of a shorter synopsis of that. So think about it as even a 15 to 30 second Facebook ad or Instagram ad. Then we have tribe videos. Now, in your business, you likely have several different customer bases. So think of this as kind of when you have an email list and you segment that email list to those different audiences. These tribe videos specifically target certain audiences. So let me give you an example. Acton MBA is a school in Austin, Texas. It is a 100-hour workweek MBA program. The audience that they recognize is really drawn into their program is Olympic athletes, Navy SEALs, and people that are currently working in tech but feel really disconnected from what they're doing. So they might create a video for each one of these individuals that pulls them into their world and convinces them in their own language that they should consider this school. You'll also want to add retargeting ads that will go a little bit deeper than these awareness campaigns. Overall, the strategy with paid traffic is to produce as many 15 to 30 second videos as possible and just keep cranking them out. I recommend doing one big shoot, and from that, editing several different versions of those ads, trying several different text on top of it, and when you actually run the ads, you get to see what works. Video strategy number 3, build rapport. If your goal is to build rapport with your audience, then social media could definitely be the right pick for you. What you want to focus on is providing value first and foremost. And what's great is you don't necessarily have to use pre-recorded video to do this. You could use Facebook Live, Instagram Live, LinkedIn Live, and also IG Stories. Definitely take advantage of all the videos that I have available on this channel for how to shoot a video on your iPhone, if this is what you're looking to do. Also, this is where how-to content really starts to come into play. So YouTube is a great strategy for producing this how-to content. That is a larger strategy though, so if you're just getting started in video, I would not recommend starting there. Instead, deliver that content via live video. That way, you aren't having to worry about the editing. If you still don't know where to start, then I highly recommend starting with the brand video. I think that this is the best video for ROI, return on investment, because you're going to shoot one video and you could potentially pull several out of that one video. You're gonna have testimonials within that video. You could edit those individual testimonials into standalone videos. You could also cut a shorter version of that video for an awareness ad. And you might even be able to have tribe videos that come out of your individual testimonials. And if you're already set up with lights and everything, and you just prep a little bit with some frequently asked questions, then while you're in that shoot, you could also capture those. And if you're completely overwhelmed by all of it, then I highly recommend starting on Instagram stories and just staying consistent with posting 3 times a week. Don't forget to grab the PDF version of this in the description below so that you can keep these videos top of mind throughout the year when you're creating content. And be sure to stick around and check out some of the other videos that will dive deeper into each of these individual videos and how to accomplish them for your brand. Content that tech companies, tech people. This light is about to come through. Oh no. No, don't do it. 3 video marketing strategies in, I feel like I get like a 70% on this video. So frustrating. I like almost messed up and then like,
you got it.